So friends, welcome to a new altcoin update video. You asked for Dogecoin and it really took off in the last few days, especially with a significant pump just yesterday. We'll definitely take a look at how things will progress in today's update video. Also, of course, the long-term forecast, what are my price targets and where might I consider buying more. You'll definitely find out all of that in today's update video, so make sure to stick around until the end. But before we get started, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and feel free to join the free Telegram Talk and Signal group if you're interested in updates, news, and signals. Come on in. You can find the link for that for free in the video description. And if you're still looking for an exchange to trade or buy Doge, you can do that at my partner exchange, Binx. You will also find the link below in the video description in the comments section, and that supports the channel and of course me as well. So, Dogecoin is currently at 38 US cents. We found our tentative top up here at about 48 cents. Then there was a significant dump downwards, which really hit hard. If we look at it, it dropped about 45% in percentage terms, but that's not really surprising after such a steep price increase. If we take a quick look here, we can see that we were down at our low at around 0.09, and then it shot up suddenly throughout November. Yeah, recently we had another steep price increase, but the next few days will be crucial. From our top at 0.48 down to our low at 0.26, we now have the golden pocket right in front of us, and that's an important point because this could ultimately lead to a dead cat bounce. At 0.09, and then it shot up suddenly throughout November. Yeah, we recently had another steep price increase, but the next few days will be crucial. From our top at 0.48 down to our low at 0.26, now have the golden pocket right in front of us, and that's an important point because this could ultimately lead to a dead cat bounce. If we manage to get up here, maybe a bit lower or even slightly above, and then get rejected and see a consolidation followed by a sell-off, that would be pretty bearish, so to speak, because we already had our first sell-off in the 0.26 region. If we were to hit this low again, it would definitely be bullish in the longer term because there's a lot of liquidity down here. And just below that, around 0.24 to 0.22, is the golden pocket from this entire upward movement, and we would be closing the inefficiency. So if we come down, that would be my first buying opportunity again. Otherwise, the first buying opportunity was already at 0.28. For everyone who hasn't gotten in yet, the second option would be down here in the longer term. For that, we need to go into the daily time frame. Take a look at it. The next buying zones would actually be down here, let's say where the ER SMA is, around 19 to about 17 cents. The ER SMA on the daily is also always an important support area, which has already been hit by many altcoins, and here we've also seen a bounce. So if this sell-off happens, keep an eye on these two zones. The third and final one would actually be down here at 0.10, but I really don't expect us to see such prices again, at least not right now. Given everything at this point, including where Bitcoin stands, or if we were to see a Bitcoin correction, I don't really believe in that right now. So that would be my worst case scenario at the moment, especially since we also have a significant wick at 0.26 on a daily basis. If we break through up there, then the next target would definitely be 0.48 to $0.50. That would be the bearish scenario. The bullish scenario, and we have to be fair here, we've actually already reached that for the bull run. We went from our top back then of nearly 0.74 down to our bear market low. If we just pull the fib level, initial target was the golden pocket. We've reached this target level, so overall it's bullish. I took larger profits. If we go lower again, as I said, I will definitely stake more here. That means we could even assume that we might see our all-time high again in this bull run, heading towards 0.74 as soon as we really break through up here. But it really needs to break through upwards on a daily and weekly basis. Otherwise, it looks pretty bad. Otherwise, those would be the buying zones, and we would still have the chance for 2 to 3 times returns. Feel free to write in the comments whether you're invested and how you see things at the moment. As I said, I've already taken larger profits up here in this area, but I would definitely buy again if we go lower. If we were to see such prices, these are of course just potential price targets, which means we definitely need to head towards 0.19. However, in my opinion, it would still be important to see 0.25 again, simply because of the inefficiency that lies here. That's mostly volumes plus the golden pockets. Feel free to write it down below. Also feel free to share your other altcoin requests. Otherwise, that's definitely it from my side. We'll catch up in the next altcoin update video. Until then, ciao ciao, and as always, stay crippled.